Welcome to Forklift Training, Maintaining Your Forklift. For detailed information about how to complete this course and use all of its features, select Help. To proceed through this course, select the Next button. Depending on how your unit is powered, you may need to refuel, charge, or change a battery or cylinder during your shift. This work should only be done in designated areas and only by someone who has been properly trained. Modifications and attachments may change the lift's capacity and functionality. Routine maintenance will help to keep your forklift in a safe operating condition. This course is designed to help you maintain a forklift in a safe way, protecting you and your coworkers from the potential hazards associated with its use. After completing this course, you will be able to discuss how to charge and refuel a forklift, discuss how to handle modifications to a forklift, and recognize when maintenance is required.